All right, here we have our sewing machine for the beginner sewing class. This on the side is the hand wheel. This is your reverse stitch. You press that and it will back stitch for you. This one is your needle position, center to the right and to the left. This one,
Stitch width dial controls the width of your stitch.
0 is going to be straight and 6 is going to be wide. This one is your stitch length, controls your length. 0 is going to be you don't travel anywhere, you stay in the same spot. Normally we use a stitch length of about 2.5 or 3. 4 is for basting. This one is your stitch selector. Straight stitch is what we'll use mainly, that's A. If you want zigzag, you need to change it to B. If you do zigzag, you'll want to change this, maybe make it a little bit longer, and you'll also need to change your width, make it wider, okay? These have to do with winding your bobbin. You put your thread on the back here, and then this is your bobbin winder tension disc, and then it connects to the bobbin winder here. You push it to the side, then you can wind your bobbin. When you thread your machine, you're going to run it through the thread guide, run it down here through your tension discs, down here through the thread uptake lever, make sure it gets into that little hole right there. Bring it down and then thread your needle. Down here, this is your presser foot lever in the back, controls your presser foot coming down. Your machine comes with 6 different feet. This is the main one we're going to be using, called zigzag foot. This is buttonhole foot. This, invisible zipper foot. Regular zipper foot. Blind hem foot, we don't use in beginner class. And this one is called overlock foot. Also don't use in this class, but we can keep them inside here. This is our bobbin area. To lift up this plate, you just slide this black to the side and it'll pop out. There's a display on here to show you which way the bobbin thread runs through here. So you can put the bobbin in and then run your thread along there, cover it back up. Okay, these teeth here are your feed dogs. These are what grab the fabric and pull it through the machine. Occasionally, you will want to not have those pulling your machine through, so you can take this off, turn the machine around, and this, if you flip this over, the feed dogs go down, and then they won't be pulling the fabric through. Usually we do want them up, so that is with them up. And also we have a thread cutter on the side. You pull the thread through that way and it will cut. And this is the presser foot lever. Always put this down before starting to sew.